Let's get started. It's about 8:20 Monday morning. First engineers here. Heat pumps being delivered. A pallet load of Vaillant goodies. And this is just about 8:30. The second engineers arriving, and the second delivery by City Plumbing is coming. This is about 9 a.m. now. They've got a load of radiators for us. The third British Gas engineer arrives about 9:30, and a third delivery with loads of brass fittings. Again, this is around about 9:30 Monday morning, so unloading, trying to make sense of all the bits and pieces that are on the pallets. City Plumbing, a buffer tank and a few other bits. So that's the morning. Okay, well, it's day number 1 of our heat pump installation, and so far things have been delivered, and there's just a couple of hiccups. So let me show you. First of all, you can see the main heat pumps here, a buffer tank, some big radiators over the back there, some smaller radiators at the front here, pipe work, all sorts of valves and stuff, but there is no hot water cylinder. The guys have come in first thing this morning. They've sheeted the place up nice and neat and tidy, nothing to trip on up the stairs. Okay, well, they've started working here. You can see where they've been drilling into the wall, ready to fit the vertical upright radiator. And here's one we prepared earlier. So that's one of the new vertical radiators that's gone on already. So they've mounted that, ready to start running the pipe work through. You can see where they're making a start with the base, and those are the rubber isolation feet for the heat pump to go tucked in over in that corner. Just starting to make some progress. Unfortunately, because the cylinder's not here, and the guys had 4 different deliveries that they were unpacking and checking. Slow start, but you know, now everything's here apart from the hot water cylinder. So until the cylinder arrives, they can't start chopping out the old gas boiler and the old cylinder. So they're cracking on with what they can do, which at the moment is radiators and getting the heat pump sited and getting the base all ready to go. I'll give you a little update at the end of the day. Right, end of day 1, they've packed up, and the heat pump is roughly in its position. It's not its final resting place, but you can see it sits nicely in that little recess. Pipe work to go along the wall tomorrow. That's one of their main jobs. But you can see all the required clearances, access down there to the pipe work. I'll show you what they've managed to get up to today inside. Well, we've got one vertical radiator hung in here, and a second one hung in here, and they are just starting to figure out the exact pipework runs, so that will be a job for the morning. They've got to try and somehow get pipework to radiators that have never had pipework, and the nearest source is the other side of that wall. So the challenge is to get the pipes through and in a neat fashion, and perhaps hidden in some trunking along this edge to feed both of the radiators. So that is where we're at the end of day 1. It's been a slow start, but a lot of the time has been spent sorting through all of the bits that have been delivered and chasing up the hot water cylinder. Just before they left, they did give me the news that it seems like it was a City Plumbing mistake, and they are going to deliver it, but not until Wednesday. So they're going to be doing all the radiator work and a lot of the pipe work and preparation and electrics tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, and then on Wednesday will be the big rip out of the gas boiler and the cylinder when the hot water tank actually arrives with us. So that is the end of day 1. Here's a bunch of the stuff that will be fitted over the coming days. We've got a couple more radiators there, the buffer tank, all of the control units and couplings and fittings. You probably can't see any of that, but boxes of stuff, and 4 separate deliveries, and we still haven't got the hot water cylinder. So that's all to come over the next few days.